Okay, so here we have a Walther. This one is a 45 ACP caliber. It is a Walther PPQ. First thing we're gonna do is clear the firearm. Let's get this out of the way. Actually, let me get, already have the magazine. So the firearm is clear. There's nothing in there. Look at it, feel it, rack it a few times. Point in safe direction. There we go. First thing we're gonna do is weigh the firearm, and it weighs 28.6 ounces. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is show you the trigger pull. Remove the magazine. Let's see. And this one, contrary to the Creed and the PPX. Actually, let me reset this. It's actually striker fired instead of hammer fired. Let's do this again. There we go, 4.3. And this one had way more recoil than my PPX40, and obviously than my Walther Creed, and more recoil than my 9mm PDP full size. It's giving me around 4 pounds 6 ounces. I don't know how well you can see that. Next we're gonna field strip the firearm. Again, lock the slide back, make sure the firearm is clear, and this tabs down like a Glock, and you pull forward. The recoil spring, it's polymer, as you can see there. I may get a DPM recoil management system recoil spring in the future for it, because for one, the caliber is snappier than my 40, and you know, wow, look at that, 45 caliber, and that's a that's a big hole in there. I would never want to get shot by a 45 ACP, that's for sure. Any round for that matter. Alright, put it back on. It's weird. There we go. Okay. Okay, back together, function check. Cool. Next I'm going to show you the range video. One last look at the Walther PPQ45. That's another thing. I was watching the video and it seemed like I said Walther PPK. Forgive me for that. It's a Walther PPQ and 45 ACP. Cool. Hope you enjoy the video. And let me show you the trigger real quick. Sometimes I do this in my video, sometimes I forget. Take up. Reset. Right there. Brake. Trigger is nice. Reset. Right there. Reset. Brake. Wow. Okay. To the range we go. Walther PPK45.